Frustrated by slow WooCommerce performance? HPOS is the solution. Engineered for high transaction volumes, it optimizes store efficiency, ensuring seamless operations. Say goodbye to performance bottlenecks. Let's see about WooCommerce HPOS and how to enable and disable. High-performance order storage. Formerly custom order tables, HPOS revolutionizes WooCommerce database structure, leveraging the CRUD model for efficient data management. It optimizes order storage and retrieval, ensuring seamless operations even with high transaction volumes. This meticulous framework enhances WooCommerce queries, crucial for maintaining performance in bustling online stores. E-commerce businesses. Efficient storage and retrieval of order data is pivotal for large-scale businesses, directly impacting customer experience and sales. HPOS optimizes this process, enhancing site speed and reducing lost sales opportunities. Its streamlined approach ensures a smoother, swifter user experience, vital for business success. Web developers. Developers tackling WooCommerce enterprise projects confront rising demands for site efficiency. Mastery of HPOS is essential, enabling them to exceed client expectations and elevate user experiences in the competitive e-commerce landscape. By harnessing HPOS intricacies, developers ensure their solutions not only function but excel in meeting the evolving needs of online businesses. Understanding the impact of HPOS on WooCommerce operations. HPOS is pivotal in navigating WooCommerce intricacies, revolutionizing order processing, database efficiency, and scalability. Understanding its transformative influence sets the stage for an unparalleled e-commerce experience, redefining performance standards and customer satisfaction. Enhanced scalability. HPOS optimizes WooCommerce database for seamless scalability, accommodating business growth without sacrificing performance. It ensures consistent efficiency, empowering businesses to expand confidently while maintaining a responsive e-commerce platform. Compatibility and integrations. HPOS optimizes WooCommerce database for seamless scalability, ensuring consistent efficiency as businesses expand. However, compatibility with existing plugins is crucial. Sockle's managed WooCommerce services offer proactive solutions, including plugin updates and expert support, to harmonize HPOS integration and enhance site performance. How do I enable HPOS? Here's a systematic guide to ensure a smooth transition to HPOS, allowing you to harness its capabilities to the fullest. Activate HPOS. Navigate to WooCommerce settings. Advanced features. Within this section, you will find the option to enable the high-performance order storage feature. Make sure to check the Keep the Posts and Orders tables and sync box to sync the order data between the post/post meta and new order tables of HPOS. Disabling HPOS. If you encounter problems, or if you need to continue working with extensions that are not yet HPOS compatible, we recommend temporarily switching back to WordPress Post Storage Legacy for the order data storage setting. To do this, navigate to WooCommerce Settings, Advanced Features, and ensure that Compatibility mode is enabled. If this was not already enabled, you may need to wait while order data is synchronized across data stores. Verify plugin compatibility. WooCommerce Rapid Evolution sees HPOS as a standard for new stores, enhancing user experience. While optional for existing ones, a mandatory shift looms, promising a faster ecosystem. Sockle, a certified Woo expert, leads this transition, ensuring businesses stay ahead. Check LearnWoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you liked this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.